me to do this video so much in the past na, and I thought कि काफी fun, काफी interesting हो सकती है. So let me show you like what I eat in a day plus my workout routine all like clubbed together in this entire video. Also I have to tell you I am a big time foodie. I love trying out new things. मुझे बाहर का खाना बहुत पसंद है and I love cooking as well. Like cook करके मुझे नई नई dishes बनाना बहुत पसंद है. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आई हैव अ वेरी सेट रूटीन कि मैं यही सारी चीज़ें खाऊंगी. मेरा ना बहुत डायनामिक रूटीन रहता है. मैं कभी कुछ बाहर से खा रही होती हूँ, कभी कुक कर रही होती, कभी हेल्दी खा रही होती, कभी अनहेल्दी भी खा रही होती हूँ. डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग, बट आज व्हाटएवर आई ईट या फिर ये एक थोड़ा सा जेनरिक वो है कि यूजुअली दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आई लाइक टू ईट. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and let's start.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me?
Also a huge thank you to BlissClub for partnering with us in today's video. BlissClub is a women-led business and we need more of those. We need to support more female entrepreneurs out there and I love this fact about them. They're homegrown activewear brand and like let me tell you like a personal story. So I came across this brand a few weeks back I would say, and when I checked out their website for the first time now, the size inclusivity there, like it literally amazed me. I think it's going to help a lot of girls get over their insecurities, and for this kudos to BlissClub. And I'm genuinely telling you, after trying out their products now, I'm in even more love with this brand. And now let me show you my outfit because I'm so excited.
Never met your parents, not
So I'm wearing
even
all BlissClub top to bottom and I love my today's OOTD. Like मुझे इतना comfortable, इतना अच्छा सा workout outfit लग रहा है. Also the color combination so good. So obviously मैं workout start करी तो मैंने जो sports bra पहनी है ना, this is the ultimate support sports bra and I got this in the color Betty Blush. Now this sports bra is highly comfortable, इतना lightweight, इतना अच्छा fabric है इसका. It's called the Cloud Soft fabric. This is so supportive. अगर मुझे full blown cardio, jumping कुछ भी करनी है ना, मुझे इसमें इतना supported feel हो रहा है. If you love going out to a gym and sports bra में workout करना पसंद है, but थोड़ा सा cleavage वगैरह की दिक्कत होती है ना, definitely go for this. This is really nice, very supportive and I just love it and I love the color. Now moving on to the star of this outfit and definitely my favorite product, which is their ultimate leggings. These are perfect. Like not kidding, not exaggerating. These are literally so damn good. First of all, they're extremely high-waisted. It just sucks my body in and बहुत अच्छे से shape देता है, बहुत अच्छे से curve देता है मेरी body को. इसका fabric बहुत अच्छा है, तो thick fabric है तो इसमें like camel toe का problem नहीं होता. And the best thing about these leggings is that they have pockets, and not only one pocket, it's got 2, 3 and then a 4th pocket right at the back. And what more do you need? I've put my phone here, I've got some random tidbits in my waist part. मैंने पीछे पूरा एक wallet डाला हुआ है पता है, but ये बिल्कुल uncomfortable नहीं है and they are like really nice length wise. इनका length ankle length है and ये बहुत अच्छी है. If you're looking for like a good pair of leggings ना, go for these. And then I'm wearing this top. This is called a two-way top और ये बहुत unique सा है पता है. Let me show you. It's like a really long loose top. You can wear it as this, and especially अगर आप थोड़ा सा insecure हो about your thighs, about your butt area, leggings में क्योंकि leggings बहुत ऐसे चिपकी से होती है, you can go for a top like this. पीछे से ये बहुत sexy क्योंकि ऐसे open है ना, तो थोड़ा सा कुछ ऐसे sexiness वाली vibe भी आ जाती है, but then it's covering everything as well. So this is like such a nice top. Again, super lightweight. Or if you like me and you want to just take it up a notch, what I personally prefer to do is I just like to crop it a little, take these flaps here and tie it at the back. So this way थोड़ा सा crop, थोड़ा सा form fitting हो जा रहा है. So I feel more comfortable working out like this. So as I told you, I'll mention all the links with all the sizes and the colors in the description bar. Don't forget to check it out. And अब बहुत बात है वही outfit की. I need to go and do my workout क्योंकि भूख लग रही है यार.
Let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight?
Okay, so my workout that I usually like to do is, since अभी मैं home workout कर रही हूँ ना, I like to do some sort of cardio and then कोई भी strength training either with my resistance band, dumbbells या फिर जो normal body weight के साथ strength training होती हैं in YouTube. तो कार्डियो के लिए I love doing dance workouts the most. मुझे ना सबसे fun लगते हैं. I love dancing, तो dance workouts ही मैं usually prefer करती हूँ कार्डियो के लिए. 20-30 मिनट के हो जाते हैं और बहुत ही मतलब मजे में 20-30 मिनट कर जाते हैं.
Raindrop on the blacktop, hot stuff, feeling like a robot. Swipe left, scroll down, same chick, but you're living in a new town. Am I the issue? I'm the original. Cute face, but you got no taste. Wouldn't trade it for its weight in gold. One of these days, these days.
That was a nice workout. So I'm done with the workout. My outfit was so comfortable. Like, I have to mention this, and I'm so tired now. So let's have breakfast. Like, I need food in me right now. So breakfast karte hain, chalo. Actually, let me cook my breakfast first. Okay, so my breakfast is ready. This is like a classic breakfast in my life. अगर मुझे कुछ option नहीं मिलता, this is what I eat. I take 2 slices of bread and then 2 sunny side ups, and I have to have sauce with my egg. Fun fact, I can't eat eggs without sauce. Like, क्या आपके साथ भी होता है? Tell me in the comment. I'm so hungry. मुझसे बोलने को भी नहीं हो रहा, बताया अब. So I'll eat it, go take a shower, and then see you later. I'm back and I look much better, and now it's time for a mid-morning pre-lunch snack-ish kind of.
Are you stupid or something?
So what we try to do is we eat some sort of fruit. So today it's watermelon. Usually actually it's watermelon. I so love watermelon. It's so hydrating. It has fiber and it's perfect food for summers. So या तो हम watermelon खा लेते हैं, papaya, muskmelon, or we can eat mango since mango season is almost here.
What if this breaks your little heart in mine?
Lunchtime. So it's lunchtime now. मैं और रुचिका just lunch करने बैठे हैं, and I'm eating like very basic घर का normal खाना. It's just some dal, rice, mirch ka achar, and a lot of raw onions. I love eating raw onions during my meals, especially in summers. So yeah, very basic घर का खाना, like nothing much to explain. And हम लोग ने ना एक कुक रखी हुई है, तो वो सुबह ही आके सब बना देती हैं. So I did not cook this. ये already बना हुआ था. And yeah, I'll just eat this now. It's very basic. ज़्यादा कुछ है ही नहीं समझाने को. Also, I'm loving my outfit. I'll show it later.
What shall we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need.
Time to show you my OOTD. So I've been wearing these matte pants from BlissClub the entire day. These pants are made up of a very unique fabric, पता है, जिसकी वजह से बिल्कुल गर्म नहीं होते. It's called wind knit fabric, and these are extremely breathable, very lightweight, and you can just move in them the entire day. They are so comfortable, and the best thing is even these have pockets. They have pockets. Like brownie points to BlissClub for giving pockets in every bottom wear. Now to style these pants, I just wore them with this basic black crop top. इस टाइप के pants ना आप किसी भी solid crop top के साथ पहन लो, बहुत easy look हो जाता है. And then I put on this pearl and daisy ring and necklace. And yes, this was my OOTD. And now Ruchika and I are going out for a walk. हम लोग का ना जो शाम का routine है कि हम 7-8 बजे के around after we finish our work, we usually go out for a walk, क्योंकि दिन भर अंदर रह के हमारा दिमाग खराब हो जाता है. So we'll go out for a walk. मेरा यही outfit रहेगा उसके लिए, and ये इतना comfortable outfit. I can dress it up, I can dress it down, and I love these pants. If you want to get anything, link in description. Walk, walk, go, walk. Ready for the walk.
I still need to recover from another lover. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me.
Guys, we've just come to a park. There's no one around us. मैंने मास्क उतार लिया है. But I have to say, these pants are so comfortable. Like मैंने इनको दिन भर पहनता. I came out for a walk. उसमें भी इतने comfortable है. And they do not feel hot at all. मतलब they are full pants. And गर्मियों में तो पूरे ऐसे pants में कितनी दिक्कत होती है. but they do not feel hot. इनका fabric इतना lightweight, इतना breathable fabric है. I just love them so much. These are going to be my new like everyday pants for sure. It's dinner time. Finally, पता है मैं इतनी देर से वेट कर रही हूँ कि खाना फटाफट बने और मैं खा लूँगा because मुझे इतनी भूख लग रही है. और so you need to be proud of me because मुझे पिछले I think 2 घंटे से भूख लग रही है और मैं तब से सोच रही हूँ कि मैं कुछ ऑर्डर कर लूँ, मोमोज मंगा लूँ. But I controlled. Let's see what's there to eat. So I told you ना कुक आती हैं तो उन्होंने खाना बना लिया है. There is beans की सब्जी. ये तो शायद दिन के चावल पड़े हुए हैं. Pretty sure रोटी या पराठा को जगह पराठा. Beans and then my recent obsession which is this छाछ. यार I am such a clumsy ass ना, मैंने यहाँ पे छाछ डालते डालते पूरा spill कर दिया. What the fuck is wrong with me?
Yeah, she's what I need.
Dinner, so I'll quickly eat it and I think I'll end the video right here because उसके बाद most probably I won't eat anything. शाम को I think I forgot to vlog it but मैंने clip insert करी होगी. मुझे ना बहुत ज़्यादा शुगर की क्रेविंग हुई थी अचानक से, जो कि बहुत कम होती है, like it's rare with me. But तब मैंने वो ब्रिटानिया का हाफ वो croissant खाया था, वो ठीक सा हो रहा था. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope it was interesting for you to watch and thank you so much to BlissClub again for partnering with me in this video. Also like genuine reviews guys. मुझे BlissClub के कपड़े like especially their bottom wear बहुत ही पसंद आ गया. Like their leggings were amazing. Leggings में तो the pockets were the feature that sold me on that क्योंकि having pockets on leggings is a big thing. And ये जो mad pants जो literally मैंने अभी भी पहनी हुई है ना, these are so damn comfortable. And I'll try to mention all the links with the sizes and the colors that I got क्योंकि मुझे तो सारे colors बहुत पसंद आए हैं and आप इन same colors में भी चीजें ले सकते हो. So I'll mention all of that in the description bar. Don't forget to check it out. If you like this video then इसको please like देना, comment करना. Bye guys.
So where you wanna go? Let's see it all. Selfies on the Great Wall, maybe the Taj Mahal. Hey, we could stay out late after dark. Take a gamble in Monaco. We could swim with the sharks.